The interest rates are your best friend when it comes to buying a house or refinancing because it really tabulates what your payment's going to be at a higher level or a lower level. If a house drops in price from $400,000 to $300,000, you would say it dropped 25%, right? Wow, I should buy that. Hi, I'm Anthony Carr with RE/MAX West End. Just want to come back and talk about the interest rates, where they are right now. It's the summer of 2019. We're heading into the fall. They are down to 3.6%. They haven't been that low for 3-4 years. Last year, this time, they were almost 5%. So I've got a chart below I want you to take a look at from Freddie Mac. And if you want to go to their website, it's an interactive chart. You can go back like 10 years on interest rates. But right now, those interest rates are your best friend in purchasing a home or lowering your payment. So when you are taking a look at this fall of what I'm going to do as far as entering next year, as I'm going to buy a house, it may be that you need to look at writing an offer now because interest rates go up and down very quickly. These rates just in March were in the 4.5% range. They're almost down a full percent point already just a few months later. I've seen interest rates rise 1% in just 1 month, depending on what's going on with the stock market and the economy. So right now, like I said, they're at 3.6. You can probably get something in that range, maybe a little bit less, depending on your credit, what kind of program. If your credit's damaged a little bit, that's okay. You can still get some recovery help from organizations to help you do that. But the interest rate is the main thing I want to talk to you about. So I did a video not too long ago describing that with this 1% difference, it increased the purchasing power for some people by $75,000 or reduced your payment by about $300. It depends on your loan amount, but that was a $400,000 loan. The payment came down $300 a month, a savings of $3,600 per year. Interest rates, very important. Take a look at the link below and the charts that I posted with this one. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me and you can contact me on a private message here on Facebook or on my website, anthonycarr.net. Take care and have a great day.